You've done a lot of transformation in many roles over the last 25, 30 years. If I want to be a CIO or CTO, what are the 3 things you would tell me to pay attention to?
CIO, CTO, CDO, one of the first things that I always remind myself and everyone else also the same thing, which is our role as a technologist is not to build more technology. Our role is to build more business. So it's always about that, the commercial aspect of it, the business aspect of it, the customer aspect of it is really important. Right? So let's not build technology for the sake of technology. It's really, really important, right? The second is, in today's world, more than even before, and I think going forward, CIOs and CTOs and CDOs are naturally finding themselves in the middle of this kind of a cross-functional dynamics of the enterprise, because to large extent, they are the architects of the future version of the company, of the business, right? So in that context, what they're dealing with, what they're working with is always in context of cross-functional. There's rarely a situation that they can solve within one function or the other, right?
Yep.
So they have to be really aware of that role that they are playing as an integrator across these different functions. And part of that is to be aware of it, but really start getting good at it from the point of view of not only building relationships, but also building processes, building your framework, building your methodologies in context of this cross-functional integration.
So their responsibility is to actually unleash the magic of all of these functions with the way they synthesize them together.
Yeah.
That's their foundational role. Yep.
Absolutely. And third thing is, broadly, I think good CIOs are the ones that are able to transform IT from the function that they lead. The great CIOs are the ones that can influence the entire organization to transform not only IT, but also transform the business, right? So to me, I think these are the important elements. And I deliberately did not say competency in technology, competency in digital, competency, because absolute table stakes. Understanding operations, understanding efficiencies, understanding financials, understanding risk, those are to me table stakes. But what makes you different, what makes you differentiating CIO is the ones who see this as a business problem or business goal, who see this as a cross-functional integration role, and who are always looking at it in context of not just their own function, but the entire enterprise.